Near Phoenix, Arizona, millions of cactus pads begin their journey to Foodies Corner. These healthy, mature pads are carefully grown for high-volume juice production. Before harvesting begins, the Foodies Corner crew prepares every tool and crate. Only mature, healthy cactus pads make it into the production line. Workers carefully cut the mature pads without damaging the usable harvest. Freshly cut pads are immediately collected in clean food-grade crates.
We are done with this row. All right, let's head to the next one.
Once filled, the heavy crates are prepared for transport to the factory. From the Arizona fields, the harvest heads toward Foodies Corner's processing facility. Here in Phoenix, Foodies Corner turns this massive harvest into refreshing canned juice. Now the fresh cactus enters the receiving line, where processing officially begins. Now the fresh cactus enters the receiving line, where processing officially begins. Engaging lift. Flow is good. Proceeding with unload. The receiving conveyor carries the harvest deeper into the processing line. Next, each incoming batch passes through a heavy-duty weighing station. Mechanical guides separate damaged pads before they reach processing. Unsuitable pads leave the line, while approved cactus keeps moving forward. Next, mechanical rollers grade the cactus into consistent sizes.
The graded cactus now enters the first powerful washing stage.
Looking good. Water pressure seems steady.
Monitoring the rollers for proper rotation.
The scrubbers are working perfectly. They're spotless. Agreed. Let's send them to the rinse.
Rotating food-grade brushes scrub away dirt from every surface.
The machine is running smoothly. Peeling depth looks consistent. Check the
Next,
waste flow.
the prepared pads are cut into uniform processing pieces.
In Arizona, USA factory uniform pieces make the extraction stage faster and more consistent. In Arizona, the cut cactus reaches the powerful extraction crusher.
The pressure looks stable. Flow rate is excellent. Quality checks are green.
Inside the extraction chamber, fresh cactus juice separates from the crushed fiber.
Keep the pressure steady right there.
Valve is open. Watch the flow rate.
Clear sailing to the tank. The flow rate looks consistent now. Good. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge while I check the fiber output.
The extracted liquid moves forward while the leftover cactus fiber exits separately.
In Phoenix, the freshly extracted juice flows into a massive collection tank.
In Phoenix, The freshly extracted cactus juice enters its first straining stage.
The first filter removes larger pieces of cactus fiber from the liquid.
Next, fine filtration gives
In
the
Arizona,
cactus beverage
USA.
a smoother texture.
Now the smooth cactus juice enters a large formulation tank.
Food-grade water is added to standardize the beverage before blending. A measured food-grade sweetener is blended into the cactus base.
Acidity and natural flavor are carefully balanced for a refreshing finish.
The recirculation loop is holding steady. Alignment is perfect. We are ready for the next phase. Quality control is waiting for the transfer. The complete formula is blended until every batch becomes perfectly uniform. Once approved, the cactus beverage is pumped toward pasteurization. In Phoenix, a sample is checked before the beverage moves to heat treatment. Once approved, the cactus beverage is pumped toward pasteurization. After heating, the beverage enters a sanitary holding tank before filling. After heating, the beverage enters a sanitary holding tank before filling.
Controlled heat treatment prepares the beverage for safe commercial filling. Meanwhile, clean cans are prepared for the freshly processed beverage.
Each filled can is immediately sealed by a precision mechanical seamer.
Each filled can is immediately sealed by a precision mechanical seamer. In Phoenix, the sealed cans move through a controlled cooling system. In Phoenix, the sealed cans move through a controlled cooling system. After cooling, powerful air removes moisture from every can. After cooling, powerful air removes moisture from every can. Every finished can passes through a final physical quality inspection. Every finished can passes through a final physical quality inspection.
Approved cans are automatically grouped for high-speed packaging.
Finished cactus cans are automatically packed into sturdy cartons. In Arizona, USA, these sealed cartons are stacked and prepared for shipment across Arizona. From Phoenix, Arizona, finished cartons are loaded for store delivery. From Phoenix, Arizona, the shipment heads toward American grocery stores. After leaving Phoenix, Arizona, the cartons arrive at a local grocery store. Now the Phoenix-made cactus beverage is ready on store shelves. Cactus beverage is ready